a savage, chaotic, and narco environment, a considerable amount of specimens inhabit a hostile jungle, adapting of the wildness of the environment, running through phosphate spreads and psychoactive substance. Colombia.
In this diversified country with a particular fauna, it's evident different types of behavior, just as colorful dances and harmonious songs. Everything in order to achieve the courtship and have the possibility of improving the race.
Let's start with Bachatombo, a particular interesting and colorful specimen. This tombo is especially shy and squeaky. We can appreciate these few images. Simple, wonderful. His mesmerizing melodies, range, and amazing melisma are used when he tries to lure a female.
In contrast to Bachatombo is Vallatombo, which is a variation of tombo that expresses its love and illusions. It is in a lower category than Bachatombo. As we just seen, it has an outstanding sing ability, whereas Vallatombo, being an undeveloped specimen, don't reach the courtship because of its awful voice.
De baila tombo. Tombos that are packed with too much energy and happiness. Their most relevant feature, as their name suggests, is to dance, and their principal motivation for that as a way to get fun through complex choreographies and rhythmical dance, trying to stand out into other of their specimen and attract potential sexual partners.
In these shots, we can appreciate some partnerships of bailatombos. The bailatombos are monogamous. Once they have found their tombo partner, they will automatically become life partners. They generate a connection that allows them to rumbear without any limit or sense of tiredness. There are cases in which the bailatombos feel surrendered for long sessions of rumba.
Ñeras bailarinas. Such a curious specimen has some similarities with the bachatombo. These ñeras use the dance as erotic rite, trying to catch the attention of the ñeros, masculine version of their species. There is a big spectrum of dance, each and every one with its own characteristical features, because every ñera bailarina characterizes its dance. For this, the ñeras have a wide repertoire of shapes and steps to customize the rite. Thus, as the personification and particularity of the being, the dance share that particularity. From Carapicho to the puppet rubbing, the rhythm of the dance are incredibly large, but the principal ones are erotic and urgent ones. Particularly of this species, the pheromones are unique and are used to mark a territory. For this reason, there is always a constant conflict among them. To protect the territory and the potential partners is the precise of ñeras as a species of street danger.
These species in a constant fight are ruled by a higher being, a goddess, which controlled and gave peace to the astral, metaphysic, and neural plane. A celestial being with such majestic proportions decided to settle down in our dimension to govern physics and gang laws. Certainly, a science mystery. She has received a lot of names through human existence. Nowadays, she's known as the goddess Luna Hill. Please be careful with the next image. Trigger warning. This imposing being can corrupt the minds of those who aren't prepared to deal with the goddess' superiority.
Ay, no, ya di perdiste, amor.